Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please remember that if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe? And while you're at it, hit that bell icon and then you'll get updated every single time I upload a video.
Today we're going to be checking out the silver proof edition of the second 50p coin in the Paddington Bear series. And this is how it arrives in this packaging. There is the front and then the back. And the box just slots out from this slip there. And I'll just show that off quickly. And I really like this bit of humour from the Royal Mint. It's good marketing as well. That's very clever. And we can put that down and we'll get into the box, which is very sturdy, great condition. And that is the back. So we open that up. And the first thing you see is the coin itself. You open up this little flap at the front and the coin slides out nicely, which we'll come back to. Now we can just take the paperwork out and get rid of the box. So we'll leave the COA for a second, and what I'll do is show off, as I usually do, all the paperwork and leave it long enough on the screen so that you can pause it and have a read of that at your own pace. And this looks very similar to the paperwork that you kind of get with the Brilliant Uncirculated edition. Go and check out the Brilliant Uncirculated video that I did, because that shows off such a stunning coin. And I was raving about the condition of the coin, like the detail on the coin, especially with regards to Buckingham Palace in the background. And I think you're going to be very surprised as to how much better this coin is with the detail, because obviously a silver proof coin is minted more than once. There we go. So onto the COA. So I have number 50,489. And just on the inside by here, that tells you that that's of a limited edition presentation of 60,000. So there are 60,000 of this coin in this presentation with the box and everything. So 60,000, and that's the number that I have. So let's quickly have a look at the coin specifications. So the denomination, 50p. The alloy is 925 AG sterling silver. The weight, 8 grams. Diameter, 27.30 millimeters. The obverse designer is Jody Clark, and the reverse designer, David Napton. And then the quality, once again, is proof, which is the silver proof version. And then just show off that little piece there so you can have a read of that. There we go. And then on the back you just have the Royal Mint address and then the Royal Mint hologram by there. And that's got dirt on it that doesn't seem to want to come off. So let's have a look now at the coin itself. So it comes on this Perspex block by here and it's all magnetic, so this just slots off. And then you can actually take the coin from out of that. So we'll start off with the reverse of the coin. There we go. So this is what I'm talking about, the detail. Just look at the finish on that coin. It's like a mirror. Absolutely stunning. I just love how much detail there is in the windows and the railings in the background. And obviously the lovely colour on the bear itself. So let's have a look now at the obverse of the coin. And again, just like a mirror, and the light is just reflecting off that, and that's how shiny it is. It's playing havoc with my lights. So there we go. That is the coin itself. So let me know in the comments section below what you think of this edition. Let me know if you've actually bought the silver proofs yourself, or the Brilliant Uncirculated editions, or maybe you're just going to hold out to find them in circulation, which probably won't be until late next year now, judging by how long we've had to wait for some of the Beatrix Potter coins. But like I said, let me know about this in the comment section below, because it always interests me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching!